Page 18, in church. Now in church it's in C major, to the C major scale. Just a bunch of C chords of various chords. You can work it out, follow their fingering. It's kind of interesting the way they've done this. They're starting out with 2-4 in the right hand. And it's a 5-2 here. I actually like that. That's very nice. So use their fingering. I like this. In the second line, you're starting out in the right hand with 1-5. In the second one, you could do a 1-4 because you need your fifth finger for the next note. And then 1-4. It's up to you. And then up. Third line, second measure, left hand, C, B flat. And in the right hand, it's an E, G sharp. The last measure of the third line is a C sharp E in the right. It's a G in the left hand. So the last two measures, it's a CF and a GC here, and then to here. The left hand is a EC in the last measure, so it's the last two measures. Watch out on that. It's pretty. Really soft, really gentle. If you have to play for something and it's like a prelude, you need something soft, or if it's an offertory, you need something soft. While there's background music, this would do fine. Now the words at the top of this, andante, sostenuto, e semplice, or whatever you say it. Andante is a nice strolling speed. Sostenuto is sustained, and simply, whatever that last word is simple. Just nice, gentle, simple, not fast, not slow. It's it's in common time, so 4/4 time. Now they're talking about the pedal indication I was talking about earlier, where the line is just a little pulse, and this means you let the pedal up and put it right back down, and do it after the notes. Don't do it where it's at. So in church, we start out with a C chord, push the pedal down right after we play the notes, and then when I play the next chord, I'm going to lift the pedal up and put it back down after I play the chord. And I'm going to do that throughout this thing. Throughout the pedal, so the whole thing is connected. Don't have to connect it, but that's what they're doing, so that's what we need to do here. And dynamic wise, it's soft. I think we're referring to the top note in the right hand. It has a little bit of a melody to it, so if you want to play that note a little bit louder, actually you play that note soft and everything else very soft. Second line, you got a little swell going on there, a little crescendo, decrescendo here. Go up to the A, and then come off. And the third line, you're medium loud. Just now it gets softer. Now you're sort of soft. Now you come down to very soft at the very end. So put in the dynamics, they really make a difference. I'll give us 4 counts, let's try this out. Left hand, right hand, foot's on the pedal, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four.